first of all, what we have to do, we have to some practice for back bending and shoulder rotation before trying to wheel pose. We did it already. So lay down your hands. Little Mangala. Okay, this is the first position. Try to adjust the heels beside of your hips first. On the hip width part, adjust the palms under the shoulder. Proper. This is your basic position. Try to stay here first. Now, with a breathe, try to lift the hip up. Inhale. Stay here. Head down, head down, head down, head down. Stay. So, we can stay in that position. Now, adjust the palms properly. Adjust the hands, elbows turning in. Now, with exhale, push the body outside. So, this is your basic position. Okay, from here, if you want to reach on the deeper back bending, so we will walk by your hands towards the left. Inhale more, exhale, keep pushing. And the final position of your body, stay, look on your crown of the head facing downside, point your eyes towards the nose line. Okay, try to make your feet in and keep pushing your hip upward. Just raising upward. Keep trying to do this one. When you're tired, cannot do, again drop the head down, exhale. Stay. Okay? If you feel better from here, then again we will try to keep the hands inside. Inhale. Exhale. Stay for a while. Again. Inhale. Push the body. Exhale. Okay. We'll do 2 or 3 times. When we tired, we cannot lift our body up more, then release the body on the floor. Slowly lose your body back. For a counter, we will hug the knee and touch your head to the knee. So this is the basic. We can relax the back and do it again. Try again, do it again, and we can roll the body for relax for a back. Rock and roll. Exhale. Relax. So this is the way of wheel pose, Chakrasana in the starting. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share, subscribe.